Alright, so if you want to run a tachometer on a Honda Civic, especially a D Series that doesn't have a tach on the dash, this is the wire you want to connect to. On the distributor, this is the sending unit wire right here. It's a white wire. It looks yellow, but it's not. It's actually a white wire with a green stripe. It is right next to the baby blue wire. And I would tap in here. I always tell people to tap in here rather than tapping into the actual wiring harness to the motor, because if something happens, this little run would be a whole lot easier to repair than the wiring harness. And this is the distributor, just for those who don't know. It's on the cap on the top of the motor, so it's this wire right here. Basically hook into that and you're ready to go. Alright, well, you guys take it easy. Hope this helped somebody. Peace out.